How to use Find My iPhone. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say your Find My iPhone is currently turned off and you want to go ahead and turn it on and end up using it. It's very simple to go ahead and do this. So before anything, all you want to go ahead and do is go over to your settings application and click your name at the very top. Then in one of the options you're going to see is Find My. What you're going to do is make sure Find My iPhone is enabled. Also, I'd recommend turning on Find My Network, and also Share My Location should also be turned on as well. Let's say you want to add a phone or any other device, or share it with your friends or anything like that. Then all you got to go ahead and do is go over to Find My. Then you're going to see all your different devices right here. If you want to add a new device, then go over and press Other Item like so. And then you just want to make sure that Bluetooth is on and enabled for your current device, as well as the secondary device that you're trying to add, and then just have it close. So if you're trying to put your iPhone on it, just make sure it's close by, and then you should be good to go on that front. And then, of course, if you want to share it with your family or anything like that, you could also do that as well. And the way you do that is by going over to People on the left, then press the plus icon, and you can press Share My Location, and then just choose whichever contact you want to, go ahead and share your location with. And then that's how you're going to be able to share it.